Yeah. Hear the drums from the mountainside. Hear the drums where the people reside. From the motherland across the sea, ancient rhythm calling I and I to be free. Drums of liberty, drums of liberty. Jah light rising with the morning sun. The journey of freedom has only begun. Before the rooster wake the town, mama light a candle when the sun go down. She kneel by the doorway, whisper a prayer. Jah, give my children strength to bear. Papa leave early with his worn out shoes. Another long day with no time to lose. He carry his burden but his spirit stays strong, knowing that freedom cannot be delayed for long. Down in the valley, the hungry man stand, dreaming of bread and a better land, while towers rise where the poor man dwell. The drum starts speaking what the people cannot tell. Can you hear it in the distance? Hear the drum. Can you feel the spirit rising? Hear it come. When oppression tries to divide, we stand together side by side. One people, one heart. Jah guide our way. Drums of liberty beat loud and free. Carry the cry of the people to the sea. Drums of liberty beat through the night. Jah give the people courage and light. Drums of liberty calling us home. No more fear and no more alone. One heart, one people, one destiny. Jah break every chain and set the people free. Grandfather tell me of the days long past, when ships crossed oceans beneath a darkened sky. He said they tried to take our language and song, but the spirit of the people kept marching along. From Africa's rivers to Caribbean shore, the ancestral drum kept knocking at the door. Every heartbeat carried a memory deep. I promised the generations would never let sleep. Now the young ones gather beneath the old tree, talking about justice and what freedom should be. No brother turn against brother for break. No sister left alone when the road filled with dread. Let the drum speak truth to the powerful throne. Let the poor man know that he never walks alone. For when the people unite and their voices increase, the sound of liberty can awaken peace. Drums of liberty beat loud and free. Carry the cry of the people to the sea. Drums of liberty beat through the night. Jah give the people courage and light. Drums of liberty calling us home. No more fear and no more alone. One heart, one people, one destiny. Jah break every chain and set the people free. Who will carry the drum? We will carry. Who will stand for the young? We will stand. Who will speak when injustice comes? We will speak. Who will lift the fallen one? We will lift. What shall conquer fear? Jah love. What shall guide our way? Jah truth. What shall unite the people? One love. What shall bring liberty? Jah light. Jah light. Jah light. Jah light. Jah light. Morning break golden over the hill. The whole valley wake and the air grows still. Children walk proudly with books in their hands, dreaming of justice throughout the land. The farmer plants seed in the fertile ground, and every village gather when they hear the drum sound. The mother smiles because her children can see a future where knowledge and freedom run free. We don't answer hatred by becoming hate. We answer oppression by changing our fate. With truth as our shield and with love as our guide, we righteousness burning inside. From Kingston Street to the African plain, from the mountain peak to the fields of grain, let every heart hear the message clearly. Freedom is coming, Jah people arise. Drums of liberty beat loud and free, carry the cry of the people to the sea. Hey! Drums of liberty beat through the night, Jah give the people courage and light. Drums of liberty calling us all. No more fear and no more alone. One heart, one people, one destiny. Jah break every chain and set the people free. Drums of liberty beat hard, rise strong. Drums of liberty, let every nation hear. Jah light shining, freedom is near. From Africa, beat turn to Zion. From the valley to the mountain, for the mother, liberty for the children, liberty for the worker, liberty for every righteous heart, liberty. One people, one heart, one destiny, one love, one love. Hear the drum in the mountain night, maroon spirit burning bright. From the hills where the free ones stand, Jah keep the people and protect the land. Maroon spirit never die. Through the forest, through the rain, freedom rising from the pain. In the hills where the wild trees grow, grandmother tell me what the elders know. She said, child, when the chains came down, our people ran to the hills and found higher ground. They carried the drum and the ancient song. They carried the faith that kept them strong. With every footstep through the mountain trail, they proved that the human spirit cannot fail. Morning mist roll over the cedar tree, a bird call out like a song of liberty. The river run clear through the valley below, whispering, remember where your people come from. Can you hear the ancestors calling? We hear them calling. Can you feel the old drum beating? We feel it beating. When Babylon tries to divide, we stand with Jah by our side. One people, one heart, freedom the stories the elders hold still. They hear the drum and they learn the song. They learn that freedom means standing strong. No child should grow beneath the weight of fear. No mother should wonder if tomorrow is near. Let every village have bread and a voice. Let every young heart have reason to rejoice. We resist oppression by walking in truth. We teach the old wisdom to every youth. No hatred in our heart, no vengeance in our hand. Just love, justice and unity across the land. From the mountain forest to the distant shore, the maroon spirit says, we fear no more. The past is a lesson, tomorrow is bright. Jah light is guiding us into the light. Maroon spirit never die, like the mountain reaching to the sky. Maroon spirit strong and free. Jah keep the fire burning in I and I. Maroon spirit, hear the drum, tell the people freedom time has come. Maroon spirit, hand in hand, rise together, people of the land. Maroon spirit never die. Maroon spirit rise up high. Maroon spirit keep the fire bright. Jah guide the people through the darkest night. From the mountain, freedom. From the forest, freedom. Freedom. From Africa, roots forever. Freedom. Spirit forever. Brother to brother, one heart. Sister to sister, one love. Maroon spirit never die. Jah light forever shine. Never die. Jah light forever shine. Jah light. Jamaica way, hear the morning call, hear the drum echo from mountain to town, from Kingston street to the hills of blue. Jah light shining, making all things new. Jamaica awake, Jamaica arise. Though the night was long and the road was hard, the people still carry the fire of Jah. Before the sun come over the sea, Mama kneel down and pray for the country. She said, Jah guide every child today, keep them from darkness and show them the way. Down in the yard, the old men speak about the days when the people were weak. But every story that the elders tell has a seed of freedom that refused to fail. From the hills of St. Anne to Kingston town, the drum beat calling the people around. From the fisherman rising before daylight to the market woman standing upright. Can you hear the heartbeat? We hear it now. Can you feel the spirit? We feel it now. No more sleeping in the darkness. No more bowing down in fear. Jah light is rising. A brighter day is near. Jamaica awake, awake and arise. Jah light shining in the people's eyes. Jamaica awake, let the whole land hear. Stand up together, the time is near. Jamaica awake, no more division. Truth and justice be the people's vision. One heart, one love, one destiny. Jah guide Jamaica into liberty. Grandfather tell of the African drum and the journey from where our ancestors come. He said they carried the rhythm through the pain and planted hope like a seed in the rain. The drum remember what history hide, the names of the people who refused to die. Through plantation, field and mountain road, they carried their faith beneath every load. Now the young ones stand by the old bread shop, wondering how long the suffering can last. He said we need education, justice and work, a chance for the youth to escape from the earth. Jamaica awake. No more division, truth and justice be the people's vision. One heart, one love, one destiny. Jah guide Jamaica into liberty. Who will stand for the children?
We will stand.
Who will speak for the poor?
We will speak.
Who will fight against injustice?
We will rise.
Who will open freedom's door?
Jah will guide.
Jamaica,
Awake up.
arise.
Arise.
One people,
Love.
one destiny. Morning light fall over Kingston Bay. Children walk to school at the break of day. A farmer plants seed on the hillside green, dreaming of the brightest land he has seen. No mother should cry for an empty plate. No youth should believe that poverty is fake. Let justice flow through every town. Let truth lift the people when they're falling down. We don't need hatred to answer the wrong. We carry resistance inside our song. With love as our weapon and truth as our guide. Your righteousness burning deep inside. From the blue mountains to the western shore. Let every Jamaican know their worth once more. The island has suffered but hope still remains. Like sunshine breaking through tropical rain.
Jamaica awake.
Awake and arise.
Jah light shining in the people's eyes.
Yo, Jamaica awake, let the whole land hear.
Stand up together.
The time is near. Jamaica awake, no more division.
Truth and justice be the people's vision.
One heart, one love, one destiny. Jah guide Jamaica into liberty.
Jamaica awake.
Stand up strong,
Jamaica awake.
sing your song. Jamaica awake,
Let righteousness shine.
Jah guide the people. One love, one mind. Whoa. From Kingston
Awake.
to the mountain,
Awake.
from the village
Awake.
to the city.
Awake.
For the children,
Rise up.
for the mother,
Rise up.
for the worker,
Rise up.
for Jamaica. Stand up, one people, one heart,
One love.
one destiny.
Jamaica awake.
Jah light shine, Jah light shine. Jamaica awake. Fire in the hills, yeah. Fire in the hills. Hear the people call. Red sun rising over mountain wall. Ancient drum rolling through the night. Jah fire burning, bringing truth to light.
Fire in the hills.
Fire in the hills.
Fire in the hills.
From the valley floor to the highest tree. A righteous fire saying people rise and be free. Before the morning touch the mountain peak, Mama kneel down with the words she speak. She pray for the children, she pray for the land. Jah give the weary strength to stand. Down in the valley the worker rise, with tired hands and hope in his eyes. He walked through the dust with a heavy load, but faith keeps shining along the road. Babylon build where the poor ones stay. Take from the people and turn them away. But deep in the hills where the old trees grow, a fire is burning that Babylon can't control. Can you hear the mountain calling? We hear it now.
Can you feel the spirit rising?
We feel it now. When darkness tries to cover the land, Jah fire help us stand. Fire in chains were heavy before the dawn. He say, our people carried the drum through pain and planted their hope like seed in the rain. From Africa's Sile came the ancient sound, through the ocean passage to Jamaican ground. The drum held memory, the song held name, and generation after generation carried the flame. In the mountain mist, the old ones knew that freedom was something you had to pursue. They watched the stars and they followed the stream, holding Jah faith and a freedom dream. Fire in the hills, burning bright, Jah light shining through the darkest night. Fire in the hills, let the people know truth is rising and the righteous grow. Fire in the hills, hear the people cry, freedom like an eagle soaring in the sky. One heart, one people, one destiny. Jah keep the fire burning and set the people free. Who will stand when the road gets rough? We will stand. Who will speak when the times get tough? We will speak. Who will rise for the children's right? We will rise. Who will carry Jah fire through the night? We carry the light. One people, one heart, one struggle, one love. Fire in the hills, burn on. Jah righteousness, live on, live on. Morning break golden across the land. Children walk proudly with books in hand. The farmer plants seed in the fertile ground, and every village gather when they hear the sound. No mother should cry by an empty plate. No youth should believe that poverty is fate. Let justice flow like a river wide. Let truth and compassion walk side by side. We resist oppression by walking in truth and pass the old wisdom down to the youth. No hatred in our heart, no vengeance in our hand, just love and justice rising through the land. From the blue mountains to the distant shore, let every heart know its worth once more. The night may be long, but the dawn is near. Jah fire burning away the fear. Fire in the hills, burning bright, Jah light shining through the darkest night. Fire in the hills, let the people know truth is rising and the righteous grow. Fire in the hills, hear the people cry, freedom like an eagle soaring in the sky. One heart, one people, one destiny. Jah keep the fire burning and set the people free. Fire in the hills, burn on. Fire in the hills, rise strong. Oh. Fire in the hills, let the whole land hear. Jah fire burning, freedom is near. From the mountain, fire burning. From the valley, fire burning. From Africa, roots forever. From Jamaica, spirit forever. Brother to brother, one heart, sister to sister, one love. For the children, rise up. For the workers, stand up. Fire in the hills, never die. Jah light shining, forever high. Oh, forever high. Hey, I, hey, I. Hear the children calling from the valley. Hear the drumbeat rising in the alley. Morning sun upon the mountain land. Jah give the children strength to stand. Children stand, children rise, children rise. Though the road be rough and the night be long, Jah put the future inside their song. Oh, little boy walking with a book in his hand, barefoot journey through the dusty land. Mama tell him, son, hold brighter than the morning sky. Little girl sitting by the old mango tree, dreaming of a world where every child is free. She heard the drum from the hills nearby and asked her mother, "Mama, why?" Mama said, "Child, remember your name. Remember the people who carried the flame. Though many before you walked through the pain, they planted the seed that is growing again."
Who holds tomorrow?
The children.
Who carries the dream?
The children.
Then give them knowledge, give them truth,
Give them love and give them roots.
children stand,
Children rise.
starlight shining in their eyes.
Children stand, don't be afraid. Walk in the truth that our elders made.
Children stand,
Together strong,
carry the future inside your song.
one heart, one people, one destiny.
Jah guide the children into liberty.
Grandfather speak of the African drum, of the ancient place where our people come. He say, never let history disappear. The roots of your people must always stay near. Through ocean sorrow and plantation pain, our ancestors planted their hope in the rain. They carried their stories, their faith and their song, and taught every child to keep standing strong. Now the classroom door must open wide. No child left hungry, no child pushed aside. Every young mind deserves a chance to grow. Every little seed deserves room to show. No Babylon wall should block their way. No empty promise steal their day. Let education shine like the morning sun for every child, every daughter, every son.
Children stand,
Children rise.
starlight shining in their eyes.
Children stand, don't be afraid. Walk in the truth that our elders made.
Children stand,
Together strong,
carry the future inside your song.
one heart, one people, one destiny. Jah guide the children into liberty. Who will build the future?
The children,
Who will carry the vision?
the children,
Who must learn the truth?
every child,
Who must protect their dreams? We must stand.
brother,
Will you help them? Yes, I will.
sister,
Will you guide them? Yes, I will.
one people,
One arm,
one future,
one love.
stand strong.
Stand strong. I see children running beneath the rain, laughing and dancing without fear or pain. A mother smiles as her daughter sings, dreaming of all that tomorrow brings. No child should sleep with an empty heart. No young dream should be torn apart. Let justice flow like a river wide. Let every child have a chance to rise. We resist oppression by teaching the truth. We plant wisdom deep inside the youth, not with hatred, not with violence or fear, but with love and courage. Year after year, from Kingston streets to the hills of green, let the brightest generation be seen. And from Africa soil to the Caribbean Sea, let the children inherit a world that is free.
Children stand,
Children rise.
starlight shining in their eyes.
Yeah, children stand, don't be afraid.
Walk in the truth that our elders made.
Children stand, together strong,
Carry the future inside your song.
one heart, one people, one destiny. Jah
Guide the children into liberty.
Children stand, stand strong.
Children rise.
Children rise, rise high.
Children stand.
Let your voices ring.
Guide the children.
Let freedom sing. For the little boys,
Children stand.
for the little girls,
Children guide.
for the mother,
Give them
Africa, roots remain. For Jamaica, hope remains.
One people,
One heart,
one future,
one love.
never far.
Shall light guide them.
Through it all. Oh yeah. Hear the drum when the morning breaks. Hear the cry from the people's way. Truth in the valley, rights in the street. Jah righteousness make the struggle complete.
Truth and rights. Truth and rights.
Though Babylon build walls of lies, truth shall rise like the morning sun in the sky. Before the sunrise over the town, Mama sweep the yard while the stars still shine. She said, children, remember this way. Never sell your conscience for a piece of pay. The worker walk with his hands wanting,
Carrying hope.
underneath his skin. He sees the powerful counting their gold, while hungry children wait in the cold. But deep in his heart there is something they can't take, a righteous conviction that refuses to break. He said, I may be poor, but my spirit is free. No man can purchase my dignity. What shall we carry?
Truth.
What shall we defend?
Rights.
When the darkness gathers,
Shall light.
when the people suffer,
We unite.
truth and rights let the people stand. Jah light shining across the land. Truth and rights never compromise. Keep the fire burning in the people's eyes. Truth and rights from the valley to the sea. No chain can hold a heart that knows it's free. One heart, one people, one destiny. Walk in Jah truth and claim your liberty. Grandfather tell of the African drum, of the ancient roots where our people come. He said they took our freedom, they tried to take our name, but they could never extinguish the flame. Through the ocean sorrow, through the plantation field,
The people's spirit.
refused to yield. They carry their language, their prayer and song, and pass down the wisdom to keep standing strong. Now the drums speak again through the night, calling every soul to stand for what is right. No brother turn against brother for gain. No sister forget another's pain. If one man hungry, then justice is near. If one child suffers, then all must hear. For freedom and freedom, if only some can see. Truth and rights must belong to humanity. Truth and rights let the people stand. Jah light shining across the land. Truth and rights never compromise. Keep the fire burning in the people's eyes. Truth and rights from the valley to the sea. No chain can hold a heart that knows it's free. One heart, one people, one destiny. Walk in Jah truth and claim your liberty. Ah, yeah.
Who will speak?
When the poor man's voice is low,
We will speak.
who will stand when injustice
Who will
overflows?
stand?
Who will fight for the children's
We
right?
will rise.
Who will carry Jah truth through the night?
We carry the lights.
And rights
And rights.
for all.
One people.
Stand tall,
One love.
never fall. Oh, morning come golden across the hill. The village wake and the air grows still. The farmer plants seed in the fertile ground, while freedom songs echo when the drums sound. No mother should fear an empty plate. No young man should believe that poverty is fate. Let every worker have a voice and a chance. Let every child learn, let every dream advance. We resist oppression by standing in truth and pass the torch onward to the youth. No hatred in our peace and love for the whole wide land. From Kingston street to the African shore, let every righteous voice rise once more. The road may be rough, but the people are strong, and truth will keep marching through this freedom song. Truth and rights, let the people stand. Jah light shining across the land. And truth and rights, never compromise. Keep the fire burning in the people's eyes. Truth and rights from the valley to the sea. No chain can hold a heart that knows it's free. One heart, one people, one destiny. Walk in Jah truth and claim your liberty. Truth and rights, stand up strong.
Truth and rights,
Sing the song.
truth and rights,
Let justice shine. Jah truth forever. Freedom is mine.
truth in the morning,
Truth in the valley.
truth in the valley,
Truth for the worker.
truth and rights,
Rights for the children.
truth and rights,
Brother to brother, one heart. Sister to sister, one love. From Africa to Zion, one destiny.
Jah truth forever.
Set the people free. Walk through the valley, fear not the night. Jah hold the warrior with eternal life. No sword in his hand, no hatred in his eye, only truth in his heart. And the Most High, peaceful warrior, stand strong. When the world bring thunder, he answer with song. When Babylon pressure, he keep walking strong. Before the rooster call, he rise from his bed, a quiet prayer running deep in his head. He wash his face beneath the morning rain, then walk through the village where people feel pain. He see the old mother sitting by the door, counting little coins but needing much more. He see young youth with a fire inside, searching for a future where dignity can abide. The warrior say, brethren, don't lose your way. Don't let anger steal your tomorrow away. We can fight injustice without becoming blind. Keep Jah truth in your heart and compassion in mind. When the dark is come,
We hold the light,
when oppression rise,
we stand for right,
when hatred comes,
we choose love
Jah give us strength.
from above. Peaceful warrior,
Stand your ground. Let Jah truth be the battle song.
peaceful warrior,
Brave and strong, fighting justice with a righteous song.
peaceful warrior,
Don't bow down, carry love through the troubled town. One heart, one people, one destiny. Jah guide the warrior to liberty. Grandfather tell him of Africa's drum, of ancient wisdom and where we come from. He said, our people survived through the years, carrying their hope through sorrow and tears. The drum was a heartbeat, the song was a flame. The elders kept calling the people's true name. Though many tried to break what the spirit had made, the roots grew deeper beneath every shade. So the warrior walks with his ancestors near, their courage behind him, their wisdom sincere. He carry no hatred for those who oppose, but truth is the seed that he faithfully sows. He said, every brother and sister must rise. Let justice and mercy become our sunrise. If one man is hungry, then something ain't right. If one child is suffering, we must bring the light.
peaceful warrior,
Stand your ground. Let Jah truth be the battle sound.
peaceful warrior,
Brave and strong, fighting justice with a liberty. Who will stand when the weak cry out?
We will stand.
Who will speak when they try to shut us out?
We will speak.
Who will walk when the road gets long?
We keep walking.
Who will answer darkness with a freedom song?
We keep singing.
Warrior,
Warrior, warrior,
walk on.
warrior.
One people,
One in love.
Jah truth forever. Morning breaks golden over the hillside. Children laugh as they run outside. The farmer plants seed in the fertile ground, and the peaceful warrior hears a hopeful sound. A school door opens, the young ones come in, learning that knowledge can help them begin. No mother should tremble beside an empty plate. No child should believe that poverty is fate. So let justice flow like a river to sea. Let every human being have the right to be free. We resist oppression with courage and truth, and pass the flame of wisdom to the youth. No hatred in the heart, no violence in the hand, just righteousness rising across the land. The warrior knows that the strongest fight is keeping love alive when the world loses sight. Peaceful warrior, stand your ground. Let your truth be the battle song.
Peaceful warrior.
Brave and strong, fighting justice with a righteous song.
Peaceful warrior.
Don't bow down, carry love to the troubled town. One heart, one people, one destiny. Jah guide the warrior to liberty. Peaceful warrior, stand strong. Peaceful warrior, walk on. Peaceful warrior,
Keep love alive.
Jah like guide.
And the people survive.
No sword,
Just truth.
no hatred.
Just love, no fear.
Jah near
For the mother. Peace.
peace for the children,
Hope.
for the worker,
Justice.
for the people.
Unity.
One heart, one love,
One destiny.
Jah guide I.
Stand strong. Stand strong.
Time will tell. Time will tell. Oh, Time will tell. Yes, time will tell. Who walk in righteousness and who serve Babylon well. The moon may hide behind the cloud tonight, but Jah truth always come back to light.
Time will tell.
Time will tell.
Time will tell.
So keep your faith when the road seems long. The righteous heart will prove itself strong. Early morning, before the sun arise, Mama watched the darkness fade from the sky. She said, child, don't worry about the lies they spread. Jah know the truth that's living in your head. Down by the corner, the old man sits, watching proud men boast while the poor man split. He shake his head and quietly say, every deed have a price one day. The worker sweat beneath the burning sun, wondering when his better days will come. Still he carry his dignity wherever he go, because just see the things that Babylon don't know. When the wicked seem to prosper,
Hold on.
when the righteous feel forgotten,
Hold on.
when the road is dark and long,
Keep the faith.
Jah truth will prove them wrong.
Time will tell.
Time will tell, time will tell, who walk in light and who choose the way of hell. Time will tell, when the morning truth will bring the children liberty. Grandfather tell of the African drum, of ancient truths and the place we come from. He said the truth may travel slow through the land, but it reach every heart that can understand. Through the years of sorrow, through the years of pain, our people planted hope like seed in the rain. They kept their language, their rhythm, their song, and taught the young ones to keep moving along. Babylon can build up a palace of gold, but a palace built on injustice won't hold. A crown may glitter in the bright sunlight, but righteousness shine in a different light. So don't envy the man who has plenty today, if he use another man's hunger to make his way. Jah measure the heart, not the silver throne, and every soul must answer for what it has done. Time will tell, time will tell, who walk in light and who choose the way I felt. Time will tell, when the morning bell ring, truth will rise and the righteous sing. Time will tell, so don't lose your way, keep your fire burning through the night and day. One heart, one people, one destiny. Jah truth will bring the children liberty. Who knows the truth? Jah knows. Who sees the hidden heart? Jah sees. Who will judge the deeds of man? Jah will. Who will make the righteous stand? Jah will. When will truth arise? In Jah time. When will justice come? In Jah time. What must we do? Hold the faith. What must we keep? Love and truth. Morning finally breaks across the hill. The valley wake and the world grows still. The children run where the green grass grows, and the farmer smile as the river flows. The old man's prophecy begins to unfold. The truth he carried now can be told. Those who stood firm through the darkest night see the first rays of the morning light. No mother should suffer because of greed. No child should hunger while another has plenty. Let justice rise from the streets to the throne. Let every human being know they are not alone. We resist oppression by standing in truth. We pass the flame of wisdom to the youth. No hatred in our heart, no revenge in our hand. Just your righteousness across the land. Time will tell, time will tell, who walk in light and who choose the way I feel. Time will tell, when the morning bell ring, truth will rise and the righteous sing. Time will tell, so don't lose your way, keep your fire burning through the night and day. One heart, one people, one destiny. Jah truth will bring the children liberty. Time will tell, hold on strong. Time will tell, keep walking on. Time will tell, truth shall rise. Jah light shining in the people's eyes. Time will tell, hold on for the mother, hold on for the children, hold on for the worker, hold on for the righteous. Stand strong, Babylon may rise, but Babylon must fall. Jah truth forever will conquer all. One people, one heart, one love, one destiny. Time will tell. Jah know. Yeah. Golden sunrise. Golden sunrise over Zion Hill. Night may be long, but Jah light stands still. Hear the drum from the valley below, calling every lost soul.
Rise and grow.
along. Mama tell the children by the evening fire, remember the road and remember the desire. There was a time when the ships came across, taking away lives, leaving sorrow and loss. She point to the moon and she point to the sea. Your ancestors dreamed that their children be free. They carried their language, their prayer and their song, and held on to hope when the nights were long. The whip and the chain could trouble the skin, but they could never conquer the spirit within. In mountain and valley the brave ones would hide, keeping Jah fire burning deep inside. When the old wounds open, remember
When injustice returns,
stand strong. When Babylon tried to divide,
we unite.
when darkness cover the land,
Jah light,
golden sunrise shine upon the land. Give the weary people strength to stand. Golden sunrise chase the night away. Jah bring freedom with the break of day. Golden sunrise, hear the people's cry.
no more chains.
Beneath the open sky, one heart, one people, one destiny. We remember yesterday and fight to be free. The elders say, child, don't forget the past, for the shadow of injustice can sometimes last. When the old chains return in a different disguise, you must recognize them with your awakened eyes. If poverty knock at the poor man's door, if greed take plenty while the hungry get poor, if one man's power make another man small, then righteous people must answer the call. No return to the days when humanity was sold, no return to the darkness that history told. We carry the memory, but hatred won't lead. We answer oppression by planting good seed. From Africa's heartbeat to Caribbean shore, the ancestors whisper, remember once more. Your freedom is precious, your dignity bright. Stand for the truth and defend what is right. Golden sunrise shine upon the land.
Give the weary people strength to stand.
Golden sunrise chase the night away.
Jah bring freedom with the break of day.
Golden sunrise, hear the people's cry.
No more chains beneath the open sky.
One heart, one people,
One destiny.
we remember yesterday and fight to be free. What shall we remember? Our roots. What shall we protect? Our freedom. What shall we reject? Oppression. What shall unite us? One love.
If the old chains return,
We stand if the darkness.
return.
We shine if Babylon divide.
We unite.
Rise, golden sunrise. Now morning comes softly across the green hill. The river runs clear and the valley grows still. Children walk proudly with books in their hands, dreaming of justice throughout the land. The farmer plants seed in the fertile ground, while drums of hope echo whenever they sound. The mother smiled because her children can see a future built stronger, a future more free. We teach the young ones the truth of the past, not to live in hatred but to make freedom last. For history's lesson must never be ignored, and dignity belongs to the rich and the poor. No human being should be treated as less. No child should inherit another's distress. Let justice flow like a river of light. Let your love guide every struggle for right. Golden sunrise shine upon the land.
Give the weary people strength to stand.
Whoa, golden sunrise chase the night.
under open skies. Remember the ancestors. Remember the struggle. Remember, but don't carry hatred.
Carry love,
Carry the wisdom.
carry truth.
For the mother, freedom. For the children, hope. For the worker,
Justice,
for every nation.
unity,
Golden sunrise,
shine forever,
Jah light,
never fade.
never fade. Jah light.
Yeah, na 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 na. Hear the drum from the mountainside. Hear the ancient rhythm rising with the tide. From Africa's soil to the Caribbean Sea, Jah plant the seed of liberty.
Freedom chant,
Freedom chant. Chains may return in another disguise, but the truth still shine in the people's eyes. Mama tell the story by the evening fire of ancestors walking through sorrow and mire. She said, child, remember, don't forget the past. Freedom is precious, so make freedom last. Ships once came sailing across the deep blue sea, carrying sorrow where there should be liberty. Names were taken, families torn apart, but no iron chain could imprison their heart. Through plantation fields and the mountain rain, the people kept singing through suffering and pain. The drum spoke softly when the night came down, calling the last ones to stand their ground. When the old chains return,
we will see.
when oppression knocks,
We will rise,
when Babylon tries to divide,
unite.
when darkness covers the land,
Jah light,
Jah light. Freedom shine, let the whole world hear. Jah light shining, driving out the fear. Freedom shine, let the people stand. Truth and justice rising through the land. Freedom chant from the mountain to the sea. No chain can hold the spirit that was born to be free. One heart, one people, one destiny. Jah guide the children into liberty. Grandfather say, look how the chains can change. Sometimes they hide when the system rearrange. A hungry man can still be born by need when another man grows rich from his seed. If the worker toil but cannot feed his child, if the powerful laugh while the poor are denied, then the freedom song must rise once more from the village road to the palace door. We remember the past, but we don't live in hate. We build with forgiveness while demanding what's right. For justice without love can turn the heart cold, and love without justice leaves the weak control. So brethren, stand firm, sistren, stand tall. Let no division make the people fall. The drum is calling every soul to unite. Truth is the weapon and Jah is the light. Freedom shine, let the whole world hear. Jah light shining, driving out the fear. Freedom shine, let the people stand. Truth and justice rising through the land. Freedom chant from the mountain to the sea. No chain can hold the spirit that was born to be free. One heart, one people, one destiny. Jah guide the children into liberty. Who will remember?
we remember.
Who will stand?
We will stand,
Who will speak for the voiceless?
we will speak.
Who will defend the children?
We will stand,
If the chains come back,
we break the fear.
if oppression comes near,
Jah truth is here.
one people,
One heart,
one struggle,
one love.
freedom, 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 freedom. Sing it loud. Golden sunrise over the hills appear. Children walk to school with a future clear. The farmer plants seed in the morning rain, while the drum beat echoes through the window pane. No mother should cry beside an empty plate. No child should inherit another person's hate. Let every young mind have a chance to grow. Let every worker reap what their hands sow. From Kingston streets to the African shore, let freedom mean something deeper than before. Not just a word that the powerful say, but bread on the table and justice each day. We resist oppression by standing in truth. Pass the flame of wisdom to the youth. If yesterday's chains return wearing a new name, we recognize them and protect the flame.
Freedom child,
Let the whole world hear.
your light shining.
Driving out the fear.
Freedom child,
Let the people stand. Truth and justice rising through the land.
freedom child,
From the mountain to the sea, no chain can hold the spirit that was born to be free. One heart, one people, one destiny. Jah guide the children into liberty.
freedom child,
Sing it strong
freedom child,
all night long. Hey.
freedom child,
Let the whole land rise.
your light shining.
Freedom in our eyes. Remember the ancestors. Remember the struggle. But carry no hatred.
Carry love,
Carry the wisdom
carry truth,
for the mother,
Freedom,
for the children,
for the worker,
freedom,
for every righteous soul.
freedom,
One people, one people.